Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. I'd like to go through some foreign exchange charts with you today, and I'm going to start with the euro against the US dollar. Now here we have a second indecisive spinning top in a row yesterday. Shorter legs, but again it highlights the overhead resistance on a closing basis from the combination of the very recent 50-cent Fibonacci line at 112.18 and the medium moving average currently 112.25. Meanwhile, we still have the idea, which I've put forward for many times, for a big head and shoulders top formed over 2017, 2018 that I've been carving on about for ages and ages and ages. This is the one with the target X in the 104.85 area. It's still there. The next chart is cable, or AKA sterling against the US dollar. A small bearish engulfing pattern yesterday, the first bearish action for about a week, though with no follow through today so far. We still have just below the lower time, currently 120.63, of the super important bearish 2019 Andrews pitchfork that has been running this market since May. This is despite the big moves down and around this lower time. There hasn't been a single close below it. We're now roughly equidistant between the lower time and the middle time. That's currently at 122.5. Below the lower time we have support at 119.77 and 118.69. And then the final target X below for the potential bearish halfway hesitation seen over the last few years on the longer term charts. It is coincident with the 1985 low at 104.525. Now, I hesitate because this is a huge ask, but I thought I'd better mention it now than later on. It is, after all, a very long-term target. The next chart is euro against sterling. Now here we have a bullish double that once again tested the upper time. That's currently at 92.54 of the bullish June to July Andrews pitchfork, but failed to close above it, nor actually to make much of an impact. Keep an eye on it. This pitchfork has not got off to a good start. There's also the possibility we may have a pipe top from the action over the last 2 days, but it's still early on that. The next chart I'd like to look at is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. A possible bull hammer pattern yesterday, though it doesn't quite sit right with the previous session's bullish piercing line pattern and wannabe key reversal up. Today's not helped so far as we've pulled back up a little. I hesitate in stating this, but a week into the new month of August and we're already on for a monthly key reversal. Obviously it is too early to say which way, but we've fulfilled the criteria for a monthly should we choose to do it. It'll depend where we close on the 30th of August. Meanwhile, to give you an idea of the depth, up on top with this month's 50% Fibonacci level, currently at 107.40. And let's just say the medium moving average is many hundreds of ticks away, further away on the upside. Aussie dollar. We've got a lovely chart here. We've got a lovely market in this. A big bearish spike down yesterday that went all the way down to just past the middle time, currently 66.89, of the broken bearish shift pitchfork that's been running this market throughout this year, and then reversed back up. All the way up that one may argue the action was actually an indecisive spinning top, but with bullish tendencies. A couple of points to remember. First off, this whole move down has been due entirely to the rejection 3 weeks ago of the overhead long moving average. That's currently at 70.72. Secondly, this broken shift pitchfork was on the verge of my retiring. However, I've reprieved it because of its support and its resistances and its echoes. So in the meantime, good trading.